right, so we have a customer complaint. Hazard will turn off after a couple clicks, so we'll go ahead and show you that. This is a 2001 Dodge Ram 2500 5.9 gas engine. So when we put the key on the on position, and then we turn on the hazard or the turn signal, as you can see, it only flicks once, if anything. Sometimes it'll flick 3 times, but if you press the hazard button, it works properly. But so this would kind of make you think it would be the turn signal. But first thing what I would do, recommend, is just check out the fuse relay. I already tested this guy out. So the hazard relay or the turn signal flasher relay would be right here. You'd pull off this little cover, it's a little fuse box, and then it'll be this blue relay. So while we have, so this guy is what's getting actually stuck. So you can get this at your auto parts store, this little turn signal hazard relay. If you needed the part number for it, let's see it right there, there's the part number. And now sometimes these hazard relays can be on there pretty tight. You can get this one. This is the one that I got from the AutoZone, and it has the wiring diagram right there. So we're gonna put it right on there, and then voila. So turn signal is working now, so forth. So we know our turn signal switch itself is not the issue. So that's all working properly, and that's pretty much it. So this would be a little replacement, kind of little easy quick tip of the day on that. But yeah, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.